Today I'm reviewing this product. This is a DIY balloon space rocket. You can inflate, stick the balloons to each other and create more. It has 100 plus accessories, 100 plus combinations, and 100 plus styling. This is like everything that's included in the box if you want to see up close. It also has a QR code here you can scan so you can see a video demo if you need to. But this is basically everything has directions and like visuals with pictures, and this is like all the stuff that's included in it, but I'm gonna watch the video real quick. Okay, so I have the little sticky balloon here, and by the way, just let you know, you can stick these to each other once all nicely once they're inflated. So you're gonna put it down here, make sure it's lined up, put this key in the keyhole, and then you're gonna insert it here, and then you're gonna twist it. Then you take out the key and you just inflate it to, you see these little circles, you inflate it to how big you want it. So say I want it the biggest one. Well, I already went past the biggest one, but basically after that you take it out, you open it up, and here you have it. And this is one that I made on air, but look, you can basically stick them to each other. It's so cute. You can fill it up with stuff, I'm pretty sure, or like decorate it somehow. There's like some stickers, and there's like a lot of things you can do with these, but these are adorable, and I'm actually obsessed with this. But yeah, it's so cute.